how I like it.
Yeah.
I'm just going to spray the roots of the halo a little bit. I'm going to use the light brown by L'Oreal. And this is just because Gemma's roots are a little bit darker than her ends. And especially through the sides here, because we've got quite fine hair, we don't want the hair sort of parting, and you'll see that really...
That bright blonde.
That bright blonde. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tone it down ever so slightly.
Wow. And that's like a washout.
It just washes out. It's you can actually use it for grey hairs. That's what I used it for originally, and then and then I discovered this technique. So, and I kind of spray downwards sometimes just to like, I'm almost like ombreing it a little bit.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
And so I do a lighter colour first, and then I might even just go through with a little bit of a darker brown just at the very base.
And where do you get these from?
You can get these from Priceline.
Amazing.
Bargain. So this is more true to Gemma's root colour. So I just like doing the lighter colour first so I can just fade this.
And you don't have to wash it out straight away,
No,
do you?
I actually don't even, I've done mine once and then just left it on my personal one.
Yeah.
But yeah, you definitely do not have to wash this out every time. I recommend leaving it because I feel like it kind of settles and it works better in the hair after a few wears. And I'm just using my comb just so before the spray dries, just to kind of blend it out. I feel like that's looking pretty good. And I just think now if the wind blows or if our hair parts or we want to do an up style, we just don't have to worry so much about those roots.
Yeah, that looks so much more natural.
So if you're a bit late on getting your roots done, or you're a bit late on your hair appointment, this is a really good way of kind of getting past that and still being able to wear your halo and having it blend perfectly.
How often do you get your hair coloured, Gemma?
Not that often. I try not to touch it too much.
Yeah.
She's a good girl.
Probably like 6 months, every 6 months.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That has blended so seamlessly.
Yeah, looks good.
And you could just pop some sea salt spray in that hair and you would be good to go.